Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. Consuming cottage cheese on a daily basis can have both positive and bad consequences, depending on a variety of factors such as the rest of your diet, your lifestyle, and the specific health objectives that you have set for yourself. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. The high protein level of cottage cheese, in addition to the presence of a number of other important components, contribute to the cheese's reputation as a nutritious dairy product. The following shown in my video is a list of probable side effects associated with consuming cottage cheese on a daily basis. Beneficial consequences. 1. High intake of protein. Because of its high protein content, cottage cheese can assist in the preservation of muscle tissue, the control of one's weight, and the induction of feelings of fullness. In particular, if you are a vegetarian or are trying to boost the amount of protein you consume, it can be an extremely helpful source of vital amino acids. 2. Calcium and other nutrients. Cottage cheese is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and numerous vitamins, all of which can help to the overall nutritional balance and the health of the bones. 3. Weight management. The protein and healthy fats found in cottage cheese can help you feel full and content, which may lead to a reduction in overall calorie consumption and aid in the management of your weight. 4. Health of the digestive tract. The probiotics that are found in some forms of cottage cheese may help to maintain a healthy gut and enhance digestion. Consequences. Unfavorable. 1. A high sodium content. Some products made with cottage cheese can have a high sodium content, which, if consumed in excess, can contribute to an increase in blood pressure as well as other health problems. If you are concerned about this, it is essential to select options that contain less salt or have the sodium content lowered. 2. Lactose intolerance. Consuming cottage cheese may cause digestive pain for people who are lactose intolerant. You might want to think about switching to lactose-free cottage cheese or another option to dairy products. 3. Calories and fat. Although cottage cheese has a reputation for being a nutritious food, it also has a reputation for being rich in calories and fat, particularly the full-fat kinds. Be cautious of the portion sizes you eat if you're trying to reduce the amount of calories or fat you take in. 4. Consumption of a diverse diet. Consuming the same meal on a daily basis might lead to a lack of dietary diversity, which can result in a potential loss of certain nutrients that are provided by other foods. It is generally advised to consume foods from a diverse range of categories in order to maintain a healthy diet. In conclusion, consuming cottage cheese on a daily basis can be part of a balanced diet. Nevertheless, it is vital to take into consideration your unique dietary requirements and objectives. If you have any special health issues or dietary limitations, it is a good idea to check with a healthcare expert or a qualified dietitian to ensure that your diet is balanced and appropriate for your needs. Like, share, subscribe and comment.